In Work Package 2, we have envisioned a range of different activities to ensure that BioDT becomes a strong consortium to have an impact on biodiversity research communities through its website, through its social media, newsletter, and other different channels. We have also planned a series, for example, of video documentaries and a range of events, be they physical or digital, through which we can directly involve the research communities. We also have a dedicated task for establishing synergies and collaborations with organizations and research infrastructures that come from outside of the BioDT consortium. This is done in collaboration with dedicated work packages, connecting us with communities, for example, coming from Destination Earth, from EuroHPC and EOSC. BioDT also involves a task on sustainability, which will start from the second year of the project. This will allow us to develop a value proposition that will make clearer the role of BioDT in the community and its importance in the long term.